Fred, welcome.
Thank you. Thank
We
you.
are third on the league log. How would you sum up our start to the season, the campaign so far?
Okay, well, I would like to say we didn't start well because we had some one or two difficulties during the preseason. So we didn't start well, but as you can see, getting closer to the end of the first one, we are coming up better. So I think out of 100%, I will give maybe 60%.
You've kept 9 times in the league for the team, keeping 6 clean sheets. Uh, are you happy with it, or you feel you could have done much more better than the numbers you've made?
Yeah. Playing Americans and keeping 6 clean sheets, I think it's okay, but I'm not content with that. Considering some kind of matches that I could have been even
Made better saves.
yeah.
There've been some bit of criticism, not so much though, that looking at your pedigree, the quality that you possess, there are games that you could have done better with something. Do you agree with those who say that?
Oh,
Are
yeah.
you yourself's biggest critic, and how are you dealing with such stuff?
Yeah. As a footballer, always you have to take criticism in good faith because they also come to watch you, and you have also set a standard for yourself that if you are not able to meet that standard, I think that they will be always disappointed. So for me, I accepted it. There are goals I could have done better going for it, but it happened. And sometimes when this type of mistakes happens, you learn a lot from it. So for me, I think going forward is going to be better. I believe.
Fred, last season, the narrative out there was that you were in superb form and then you should have been part of the national team. Like you rightly pointed out, it was a slow start for you, and then you couldn't make the list for the AFCON. Do you think that if the AFCON should have happened like 2 months from now, you would have made a case for yourself?
Yeah, I think last season was one of my best seasons. So if the AFCON could have happened that time, I think that I would have had an opportunity to be included in the team. And I believe also that if the AFCON could have happened maybe 2 months after, I believe I would have been included because I have now gotten a radium and gradually I'm coming up. But however, those who are there deserves it. The three goalkeepers there are fantastic goalkeepers and they deserve it. So for now, all I have to do is to use them the best of luck ahead of the tournament.
Looking at our goalkeeping department, a lot are of the view that we are spoiled for choice in terms of the quality and what each of you bring to the table in terms of goalkeeping. But the most difficult question that the followers of the league and then us is that how are you able to keep your bond and still maintain the competitive nature and still be friends? Because in the last game we saw Poitier whispering something into your ears. A game before that in the FA Cup, we saw you applauding every save that he made. Look at the quality of that lad and then what Fatal is showing at training. How do you guys manage to?
Okay. Well, I have to say that even the beginning of the season, I told the supporters, the crowd, everyone that we, the goalkeeping department, we are going to do our best for the club, and so they should expect more from us. So going forward, when the things were not okay, I think they were a bit worried, but for now, I think we are getting our rhythm. And with the bond that we have, you can testify to it that we have two goalkeeper trainers, and they are doing very well to bring us together. And all I can say is Danlad, Ibrahim, and Maurice Poitier with Fatal, they are all professionals. I mean, they are all good guys, whether playing or not playing. We always stick together. We try to encourage each other. Whoever gets the nuts to play, at least we talk to each other to better ourselves and also to raise the flag of the team high. It's not always about personal interest, but sometimes it's about the club. You have to always put the club before. So I think that is keeping us going. Yeah.
Okay. To talk of winning the league now maybe might be far-fetched looking at the position and the number of matches to play. We are third in the league. Looking at how slow we started, do you think it's better? It's a good position for us to build on.
Okay. For me, I don't think it's a good position because this club is a big club, and I mean going into the first one to the third position, we are not really content with that because we have to be either first or second. But to say we didn't start well, we didn't start the league well, which maybe didn't help us in a way, but we believe that for the second round things are going to change.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Fred, and we look forward to a better second round.
Thank you too.